Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on your name down here, and just click here on your name. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on notifications. So then you come to next step here. Click here on Mindfulness here. Then you come here to Mindfulness notifications. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here Mindfulness notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.